This video is meant to show teachers how are you going to assign and create tests for the MAP spring or any season, but how am I going to assign and create and have kids take these tests? So this is the website that you'll go to, teach.mapnwea.org/admin. Once you go there, it will change. As you see up here, it's not the same, but that will be the URL that will take you there. You'll log in. Once you log in, you'll see a screen like this. You want to go click on the top left, Manage Test Sessions. And then you'll click on Find Students to Test. Feel free to pause this video if I'm going too fast. I'm just going to run through the steps. So from here, I'm on Student Search right there, and I'm going to go to My School. Mine's Prairie Lane. I'll go to my grade. I'll select myself and go through here. I'll just click Search. All my students will come up. I will go Add My Students, and then it will occupy this list down here as I scroll down. That's at the bottom of my browser window. So I'm going to click this box, which will select all, and go to Assign Test. Once I assign test, I'll be able to select exactly what test I want to assign these students. And you're going to want to make sure it says growth on the front. And this is where the procedure would be repeated, but I'm only going to show you once in this video, so you'll just do it twice. So here I'm going to select growth, reading 6+, Nebraska 2014 V2. What's really important is just that it says growth. You'll do for math, you're just going to need to select the tests that you need to take. So for me, it would be growth, math 6+, Nebraska 2015. But I'm going to do mine for reading right here. So I select it and then click Assign. And you're not actually done yet. You will click down here at Save Session. Name your session name something that's like smart, because your students are actually going to need to enter this exact session name when they go in. So, I mean, it doesn't need to be complicated. Christy reading spring. Great. That's all one word. If you want to make it even simpler, I might do all lowercase. I might add a space. It really doesn't matter. Christy reading spring. Now what happens is, I did do something. It's not showing up right here. You'll click on Save Test Sessions. At the bottom, I clicked Show, and it's right there. If you can't find it, go to Created By, select yourself, but it's right here. Now, as I said, you'd go back and make one for math as well. But once you click it, you just click Test Now. Those are all your students that are here. There is your session name that you would write on the board, just like for the summative. You'd write this on the board. They would all enter that. They would all enter this same password. And once they go into that test-taking iPad app, then they will just select their name from a drop-down. Once you select it, it'll say like right here, ready to test. And you can click this Confirm Now button. And that's how you would get them into taking a regular MAP test, not the summative one. If there's a problem, then I always suspend, and then it will suspend it, and then you'll click it again, and you'll click Test Again. The student will log back in using the same session name and password, and then once it says that they're ready to test here, you'll click it, and then go to Select Action and Confirm, and it will let them test again. So if there's some testing error, once again, you would suspend it, then you'd click it again, you'd go Test Again, they would log back in, and you'd click Confirm, and it should work again if there's any testing error. If there's a specific student who would need accommodations, then you would click that person, Assign Accommodations, and you can select exactly what accommodations they need. You might need to confer with someone to see exactly who that is, but if you assign it, then their test will be accommodated and only the person that you check. So hopefully this helps you with the test.